Revolutionary greetings. My name is Isenati Jaha, provincial convener of Umkhonto we student movement of Fundai Tibet College at Umzimkhulu campus. Today we had a peaceful march against increasing of crime and GBV. So the reason being, it is because there's increasing of crime rate and only few people are aware. And also there's increasing of rape and few people are aware. So that's the main reason ukuthi sithathe image so that imessage yethu izofinyelela kuyo bonke abantu ukuthi babe safe bangahambi ngawani. And what shocked the most is that le rape ayenzeki ebusuku, yenzeka nasemini, yona nto esithuse kakhulu. So ingakho sithathe isinqumo sokuthi siphume sizonxusa bomthetho ukuthi abasilwele besivikele. And moreover, we demand ukuthi amaphoyisa awaqashwe njengoba nazi ukuthi like South Africa sikhala ngongabikho kwemisebenzi, but there's also a shortage of police. Masizomangala for crime bathi abanazo imoto, but they are quick to come mangabe siba nama-march ezikolweni. So kade sizobatshela ukuthi the way they are quick to come when we are fighting for ubulungiswa kumele ba-responde ngako. To mention few yama incidents esenzekile, it's not few njengoba ngishilo ukuthi kuyathusa futhi kuyashaqisa because i-weekend ne-weekend ekliniki kuba khona abantu asuke begwaziwe noba belinyaziwe izidlwenguli noba abaphuli bomthetho. Or in the past 3 days kukhona umama kade yokwethula iy'mpahla zakhe egcekeni kwakhe bamthatha bamdlwengula base beyamshaya. So nje sinaleyo serious issue la ukuthi i-weekend ne-weekend kukhona umuntu ozomangala ukuthi udlwenguliwe, kube khona oye ekliniki elimele ethi abagcinanga ngokumdlwengula kuphela bamshayile. Kuba khona abantu abangenelwe ezindlini bethathelwe izinto zabo. Thank you.
Student movement ayeye. Ayeye Umkhonto wesizwe ayeye. Ayeye Umkhonto wesizwe ayeye. Ayeye Umkhonto wesizwe Youth League ayeye. Ayeye Umkhonto wesizwe Women's League ayeye. Amandla. Comrades, we are going to have a very short time njengoba sidala namhlanje. Okokuqala sizozwakalisa ulwaka lethu lokuthi sikhathele ubugebengu sikhathele. Asikho safe la emigaqweni. Asikho safe ebusuku, asikho safe emini kubanjwe inkunzi. Sithi ke njenge-student movement nomkhonto wesizwe nomphakathi wasemzimkhulu, away with criminals, away.
But this march is not about izinto ezenzakalayo ezirongo kwagogo, but izinto ezenzakalayo kuzo zonke inhlaka zikahulumeni. It's the first department zitshayo usabs. Masiphuma la siya somewhere. Nakhona siyolungisa izinkinga zakhona ezixakile. Ziwesi ke kunalezi ke maqabane.